True Gamer here, back with another unboxing video. So here is my first Platinum Points reward item, Mario Tennis Fever holographic sticker set. And if I open it, take a look and check out all of these holographic images. So this is the first one. You get all the different characters and all of these holographic cards just glisten and glow underneath these bright lights. So you got all the different characters. You get quite a lot actually, considering these are platinum reward cards. You see here, I don't know all of the names off by hand, but you will make what you know of it. Yoshi, I know, Luigi, and a few other known characters. Princess Peach here. There you have it. These are all of the holographic cards that you will receive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cards. Next up, packed in this neat looking envelope will be the Xenoblade Chronicles X Definitive Edition art card set. And if we delve in a little bit deeper and take a look inside, as you see here, crafted to perfection. We got every art card just looks absolutely sublime, and it will give you an idea of what the universe of Xenoblade will look like once you pick up your controller. Every art card shines bright in every direction, and on every art card you'll have the title of the game itself. And then I have some more prints. Super Mario Brothers A4 embossed wall art set. And as you hear, we got all images of the game box covers of the classic Mario games from back in the glory days. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Just look at that, guys. These were the traditional NES cover arts way back in the glory days. So this is a great addition to my Mario collection, that's for sure. And if you was to run your fingers over the title of the game and also the Mario images, you can actually feel the embossed effect taking place as the characters and the lettering just are elevating off the page. Now, if you was to go which one I would put on my wall, I might have to go for this timeless piece. And next up we have some flower power, because I've got the Super Mario Brothers Wonder keychain. Now I just had to snap this up just so it can enter my gaming keychain collection. So here's something you don't see every day. We have a Super Mario Party Jamboree hand fan set. And on one side you have the characters, and on the other side you have the game artwork or cover art itself. So that's very unique the way they did that. So yeah, and you have 3 inside of this bag. I'm not too sure what the characters are. I think one of them is Peach, I think, and the other must be Mario, I gather. Yeah. So yeah, guys, this is a great way to cool down on them super hot days, whether it be in your hometown or wherever you take your vacation. Here is another fantastic item that I got with my platinum points, and that is the Pokemon Legends Arceus Galaxy Team Pokeball cable holder. Now, you can neaten up your cables in style with this accessory, that's for sure. So here it is, guys, the Pokemon Legends Arceus Galaxy Team Pokeball cable holder. Now say that with your mouth full. So next up, let's see what's in these boxes that appeared inside of the big box I showed you earlier. Very unusual. It does say here, handle with care. So I think it might be one of the posters. Let's take a look. Okay, yeah, I'm right. So this is how the posters come from Nintendo headquarters, guys. And we have the No More Heroes poster set. Just check out this gorgeous piece of artwork in all of its glory. Let's look at that. You get 3 of them. Colours are pretty rich and vibrant, you know. So they're just showing basically different game titles, it looks like. So No More Heroes 2, yeah, No More Heroes 1, 2 and 3. And then you got 1 here. And then you also have 2 right here. So yeah, guys, not too bad for a freebie, that's for sure. Grab yourself some No More Heroes free, the poster set. Once again, Nintendo are producing some astonishing illustrations, and it's always nice to have it, especially when it's of an iconic series like the No More Heroes one. So there it is. We have the No More Heroes 3 poster set. And then you what though, Nintendo do really take ultimate care in their packaging, that's for sure. So let's crack this open quickly. This has to be another poster. And this is the highlight really, because it's one connected to one of my favourite handhelds of all time, and that is the Game Boy. And we have ourselves the Game Boy poster set, and it consists of Super Mario Land 2, 6 golden coins, along with the epic The Legend of Zelda Link's Awakening, and none other than Metroid 2 Return of Samus. Now check out this work of art right here. A vision of beauty, boys and girls, a vision of beauty, and also brings me back to memory lane. Played a ton load of that, and these 2 games I absolutely played to death, relentlessly, and that is The Legend of Zelda Link's Awakening, and also Super Mario Land 2, 6 golden coins. I love them on my Game Boy. I played a lot of Metroid as well, but not as much as the Marios and Zeldas of the Game Boy era. As I say, the glory days. But there you have it, guys. You get yourself... Did I show this up close? There you go. Absolutely remarkable looking poster of these legendary games that will absolutely never die. The Game Boy will live forever, that's for sure, and it still plays on the minds of many. 3 legendary games fit for true gamers, I'll tell you that much. And the Game Boy will never die, and I still play mine till this day in 2026. And then I have these 3 exclusive items. I got the Donkey Kong Bonanza banana pin, strictly from my Nintendo, and then I've got the Metroid Prime 4 Beyond pin. It looks like so. You can get them all from my Nintendo with your platinum points. And this is the highlight of the day for me because I love my keychains. We have the glow in the dark Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom keychain. And this little beauty will light up once the lights are out. And here's another exclusive gem that I traded in with my platinum reward points. Mario Kart World Grand Prix magnets. And all these are magnets which you can magnetically attach to any surface which is compatible and will allow you to do. As you see here, it's from the Grand Prix mode. So you got all of the stars, mushrooms, flowers, etc, etc. So here it is, guys, the Mario Kart World Grand Prix magnets. And also from my Nintendo Platinum rewards, I got the Knockout Tour game mode magnets. And for this one, you have to have a Nintendo Switch Online active in order to purchase it. So yes, I've got the Grand Prix and the Knockout Tour game mode magnets. Now inside of this colourful decorated box, I bring to you from my Nintendo rewards 3 items, and one of them is this, the Donkey Kong Country Returns HD, and this one is very popular and on high demand because it comes in and it goes out very quickly. So if you want one of these, if you ever see it on my Nintendo rewards website, make sure you strike very quickly. Then also I got a similar product which comes a bit more thicker than the Donkey Kong Country Returns, and that is the Yoshi and the Mysterious Book note sticky set. And this normally is readily available, so you don't have to really panic. You normally see this sitting pretty on my Nintendo Rewards Platinum website. Then I got a similar product which is slightly a bit more thicker than the Donkey Kong Country HD, but this is the Yoshi and the Mysterious Book sticky note set. And you don't have to rush out and get this and panic because this is normally always readily available on my Nintendo Rewards website. But you never know, things can change very, very quickly. So it can be a high demand product sometime in the future. But then I had to add this, the Tomodachi Life Living the Dream keychain. And I had to add it to my ever-growing keyring selection. I never really played this game, believe it or not, but I just had to throw it into the order as I like to get as much as I can as possible under the $1.99 postal fee. So you get a lot of items for £2 instead of, you know, that $1.99 can add up if you keep getting them individually. So there it is, guys. I had the Tomodachi Life keyring, the Yoshi and the Mysterious Book sticky notes, and also the Donkey Kong Country HD sticky notes. I must say though, guys, if you do see any items graded out on the Nintendo website, they do take forever and ever to restock. You just have to keep your eye out and hope you get lucky. Last but never least, I got myself a Hanafuda postcard set. Now the artwork was so incredible that I just couldn't resist. And as I show a couple, I'm not going to show them all, just get a few of them out. Just check this out, guys. Got a few postcards, or should I say Hanafuda postcards. Do like the Mario one right here, and representing some flower ones there. I'll show you the last one. Got this, and then we got one of Yoshi. Yeah, I like the way they look. It's got a matte finish, not really glossy or nothing, so the artwork doesn't really let off any rays, but I just like the artwork, so I thought to myself, why not snap them up? Each of the characters just represent everything Nintendo, and you never know, I might feel generous one day while I'm on holiday and send someone I love a Hanafuda postcard and ask them for it back when I return back home. So there you have it, guys, the Super Mario Hanafuda postcard set. And it doesn't even matter, cash or no cash, because even with your Platinum Rewards item, Nintendo will still throw in your free Nintendo Switch 2 magazine. So there it is. Earning these Platinum Reward points is an excellent way to add some bonus items to your ever-growing Nintendo collection without breaking the bank. Okay guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Even better, subscribe. Till next time, see ya.